Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the monitor's upstream port and the cable you need. This matters because downstream ports only pass data when the hub has an upstream link. Plug the correct upstream cable into the monitor and into your computer, make sure the monitor is powered, and enable the USB hub in the monitor settings if it's off. Once done, the monitor reports to the host as a USB hub, allowing connected devices to share the computer's connection immediately. Now plug peripherals into the monitor's downstream ports. You do this to keep your desk tidy and route one cable to the computer. Make sure high-bandwidth devices like webcams and external SSDs use the blue or labeled USB 3. Exports for full speed. If a device doesn't work, check your operating system's device manager or system information to confirm the hub and devices appear, and update drivers if needed. This resolves most recognition problems and maintains stable data transfer. Finish by organizing cables and confirming device charging and data transfer. If the monitor has powered ports, use those for phones or tablets to charge faster. Make sure you eject external drives through the operating system before unplugging to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, first verify the upstream cable is secure, then try another USB port or a different cable, and finally power cycle the monitor and computer. This combination fixes most common hub and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.